Good afternoon, good morning, Miss. So here's my instructional materials. This is flashcard. So why flashcard? For me, flashcard is good as instructional materials because they're simple, easy to make, and has many benefits such as good memory, um, interactive discussion, and easy to remember. So that's why I chose flashcard as my instructional materials. Thank you.